Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you another app that you'll be using for your Instagram. So this app you'll be using it to edit your video. In case you have anything you want to edit, like all those people rendering, affiliate marketing, stuff like that. So you can make use of CapCut. So go to your Play Store and download CapCut. So Play Store. So this is my own Play Store. So search for CapCut. So it will help you in editing your video. So whatever type of video you want to edit, you can make use of CapCut to edit your video. So as you can see, CapCut video editor. So make sure you install it on your phone because this is another app you're using to edit your video. So and this app really helps a lot. So make sure you have it. In another video I'll be showing you how to make use of CapCut if you haven't used it before. Good day everyone.